What's up, guys? So today we're playing Animal Hospital.
Of course, there's no patient, right?
There's a patient right here. Hold up, I'm lagging. I'm lagging so hard, guys. Also, I'm sick, so I'm gonna be kinda yata. Bro, room one. Are the myths real? What myths you talking about, twin? There ain't no myths here.
You are the myth.
But I'm gonna do
You
the
are
one.
the myth, bro.
No, Shakina's gotta do that
Purple
one. She's gotta do that one.
Okay, bye.
Wait, I know the.
I'm gonna save some eye drops in case there's the mass of eyes. Also, I'm gonna take some maple syrup. Why is your name Zubo Hehe?
Canadian Canadian watermelon. Bro, stop!
Imagine if it says pregnant. I have maple syrup. Let me take care of this one. No, I'm gonna do it. I get extra sanity once I check in someone.
Go.
Nice. I got some sanity. Yeah. Like what's your YouTube name again, bro? I forgot. What's your YouTube name? Yata. Okay, yeah. Yata.
Or
Yata.
I edited
Call me
it,
Cake, I guess.
Roasty.
I love pastries. Cake is delicious, especially that type of cake, the one with the chocolate. Oh, it's delicious. No color Yata. Her name is Yata. Her name is Yata. That's her YouTube channel name. Guys, make sure to subscribe to me and Yata. This is my first video. Well, not my first video, but my first video on this channel. Because I'm in the cutscene. Guys, you want some maple syrup? I'm promoting maple syrup right now. You must be the new hire. I'm the hero. I just love doing that.
I got coffee.
Some advice: if things get strange, just keep working. Bree's gonna need the coffee. I'm gonna be fine without coffee because secretary gets 1+ sanity for checking in patients. Alright, those are the best.
Watermelon. Watermelon.
I wonder-
Excellento.
Oh, who's the best? Oh, money. Yeah. Oh, nice job, bro. Alright, let's see.
Oi.
Hey, bro, Brutoski. I want to check in as a patient. Alright, yeah.
Bro, is it okay? Oh, yeah. Watermelon.
Mango. Bruce's back looks fine. What the hell?
Watermelon.
Oh, it's Hi, broski. Why is your back arched like that? Man, that's not healthy. Why you shrimp? Also, why do you have dynamic faces equipped? Oh no, not the camera down already. Can someone fix that camera? Can someone fix that camera, guys? Who are you? Sky? From Sprunky?
Oh, Steven. So he needs people to a thermal.
Did anyone fix the camera? Okay, yeah. Bro looks fine.
The camera is fixed.
Hey! What do you want? Maple syrup? Eye drops?
Hey, bro,
I'm here for my appointment.
It's Sigma.
I hope
but
anyone doesn't see Stalker. Like it's
you
the first
also,
night.
like, not in a
The first shift.
Normally, I will play you for my whole life. I will just scratch
What's up?
the freaking what?
Come on!
Ooh, watermelon.
What's your sanity at? Zubel, what's your sanity at? How much sanity do you have, bro? What? 56? Okay. Yata? Yata, how much sanity do you have? Yata,
Oh, we're gonna not look up because
oh, it's that guy.
Massive eyes. Science.
What's up, brochi? Oh, you follow me. That's so cool. I already have maple syrup. I give him maple syrup already. I'm gonna keep some maple syrup and some eye drops for the masin of eyes or
Bro.
Yeah. I'm gonna take the taser.
Bro, look at me.
Who's gonna take the coffee?
I want
Yata, how much sanity do you have?
her.
Okay, drink 2 sips. Drink only 2 sips.
Watermelon.
Oh wait, it's your twin.
It's a twin!
Wait, should I get? What should I get? I can't afford anything. Oh wait, I can get the recovery 60% sanity. I'm gonna save this chocolate. Since Brooks art stuff like that, let's do this.
It's so good. Oh wait, I wanna do this one. I wanna do 6 to 8. Hey, is that your cousin you're playing with?
Yeah.
We're playing with.
Her username is Zubel.
So
Anyway, subscribe to
is that a
Yata.
hero team?
I'm recording right
Are
now.
they a hero?
I'm wrecking.
They a hero?
Oh, it's Felipe. It's that one guy. It's Flamingo. Room 2. Yummy chocolate. Oh, I have 100% sanity. I'm good, guys. Michael Jackson?
Hey, can your cousin like do the 1 to 5 rooms and I'll do 6 to 8?
Yeah. Briel do 1 to 5, room 1 to 5. Shekinah will do room 6 to 8.
Hold up, titi.
Yo, someone just took a Rat you! I love you, mate. I love you. I love you so much that I want to do this. Okay, stop with ligapping. Hurry up. Michael Jackson.
It is.
Breer, can you do Michael Jackson?
I won't.
I'm at 100% sanity. That's crazy.
I'll do that.
I guess I'm gonna help Bree a bit, I guess. Bro,
Oh no, an anomaly. I see an anomaly at the front desk. Oh, it's the headbanger.
oh, that's fine. I'll get him. I have 99% sanity, I guess. I have 99% sanity, so it's fine. I'll have like... I just asked...
But your cat. Oh wait, that's an anomaly.
Yeah, bro's back is arched up.
Wait, I gotta treat Ratu.
Ratatouille.
Oh my
I
god.
gotta do the signal. Oh, Ratu. we need a freaking organ because we don't even have
Get
an
out of the way. This is my job. I'm run from AliExpress. Oh, actually, no.
antibiotics.
You look more handsomer in real life. Why do you look so ugly in the picture?
And it,
Oh, it's Barnaby! Barnaby! Shakina, do you have a... Yata, do you have a coffee?
yeah, a lot.
Okay, give it to Barnaby. Barnaby is here. Or no, I mean Barney.
Watermelon.
Barney is a dinosaur. Oh, thank you. Hey, what's up, bro?
Look.
I'm gonna take the next coffee in case Barnaby comes. Barney.
Coffee.
I keep calling him Barnaby. I'm gonna have the next coffee.
Barnaby watermelon!
What?
Wait, the freak is...
Guys, did you know that?
Broski, look at Matthew! He doesn't have eyes!
Oh no, he's bulag.
I wanna eat my coffee.
You look fine.
Why did I say eat my coffee?
You look handsome. Brig, get out of... Zubel, get out of... I'm gonna take care of that. I'm gonna take care of that.
No, let me do it.
But I... Oh, yeah. You want...
Who the freak?
You look fine. Guys, don't come here.
Why?
I think Stalker is on your screen because the lights are flicking like crazy.
Oh, there's nothing!
Huh?
Oh wait, an anomaly.
What? Ano?
Hey,
Oh.
there's somebody in
Hey, I like your smile.
There's somebody in room 4!
What? Huh?
Somebody
Bree.
in room 4.
Zubel. Room 4. There's someone in room 4.
Let me do it.
Do your job. Noah's art. Oh no.
No watermelon. Dinosaur is dinosaur from our dinosaur.
Dinosaurus from Invincible?
No. Hey, broski. I'm on top of one of the room numbers. Wanna look?
Oh, I see Stalker. I'm not come. You made me see Stalker.
Why? Me!
You said come.
Because of you!
What? What are you talking about?
It's nothing. There's a patient.
Brosker can well it tweaking.
I 47 sanity.
Dino
Retake
is
the
a
coffee.
dinosaur from our...
Wait for it. Wait for. Also, if there's a coffee in the shop, you should buy that. Barney is a dinosaur. But if Barney comes, the coffee man comes, just take 2 sips. Only 2. Then give the remaining coffee to Barney.
Barnaby. Barnaby.
So his name is Barney, you Sigma.
Barnaby.
Hey, you've been standing there for an hour.
Stop closing that.
Boy.
Who the freak is gonna treat the other patient?
Bree, treat the last patient.
What? Where?
This room 1 to 5. Find it.
Oh, Mommy.
The mass of ice. The eyes of...
I'm gonna take the taste and then taste the man in the lobby. And then,
No.
did you see Stalker?
No. Dad, don't look up.
Oh, get some eye drops. Feed it to him.
Bro, I can't.
Where are you?
I can't look up. Or else I'm gonna
Hold
get
up.
more sanity.
Barney is a watermelon from our SO. Ooh! Caesar! I want...
No, I'm gonna take it. I already gave you all the coffee.
Fine, it's yours, all yours. Your gift.
I swear. I swear. No, get out of the way. Yes.
I was looking at it, like actually.
Oh, get the teddy bear. Oh no.
Teddy bear.
Barney is a water. Ooh, wait.
Hey, I want a teddy bear.
No.
I want an extra in window. I'ma buy it.
Wait.
Barney is a watermelon.
Only took the ano.
I swear.
You already took the fire extinguisher.
Coffee.
I'm gonna coffee. So I can go
How much sanity do y'all have?
32.
78.
Okay. Brie, you take the ano, coffee.
Okay.
Wait. It's almost done brewing. Just wait for it.
Can I make that to 6?
Yeah.
Barney is a watermelon from our imagination. I will actually crush on you. I will literally step on you, then you will be a pancake for a lot. Barney. Barnaby. Watermelon Barnaby. Watermelon Barnaby. Roasty, can you check the cameras?
Huh? Oh wait, Barney's coming.
I'm on one. Barney? Barnaby?
Barney, her. You should give.
I drank the coffee while I was giving the coffee to Barnaby. Oh wait, should I give him? Oh wait, it's the suitcase.
Yeah.
32.
Okay, let me take
Barney
the.
is a watermelon from our imagination.
I love Barney. I love the coffee man.
Egg.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, dating ka na, no? Mali.
I'm gonna use this taser in case of an emergency. If someone. Oh, it's Ratio again. Hi, Ratatouille.
You're Basil.
Aww.
Number there.
You are good boy.
Oh!
But
I saw the stopper!
yeah.
The big guy won.
Yeah.
The big guy. Bro, I need a coffee.
Batman
Or else I'm gonna
watermelon.
die.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, just don't open there.
But trust him. Trust
I'm
this
driving
man.
right now.
He is very good. He is not so evil. He is the best man in the world.
Oh! Anomaly!
How's that an anomaly?
Yeah,
What? What are you talking about? Bro looks normal. He's normal. Look at mine. Oh, then close it.
oh my gosh.
Oh, it's Ron from accounting. Wait, let bro out. Alright. Hi, bro. Hi, twin.
Bro, I'm dying!
Wait for the coffee.
I did
I'm doing a ritual right now.
Thank you.
Coffee man, don't steal our coffee.
Okay, that's enough.
Isip up mo muna yung ano, coffee mo.
Maybe I want coffee, bro.
Watermelon.
Alright, both of them are good. Talk. Room 5, the cat guy is in room 4.
Broski, your
What?
twin is mine.
Huh?
Your twin.
Oh, it's Barney.
He got to me. Again.
Alright, Taro, asking for another coffee. Okay. My friend, I would love a coffee right now. Hold up, wait for it.
I have coffee.
Oh, wait. Thanks. Would you like to hide with us?
Oh, dang. Oh, camera. Wait. But I saw. Your friends say you may. I hate. Oh.
I know it's an anomaly, but I'm gonna let Barnaby through it.
I'm walking with a freaking picture on my freaking camera. Barnaby. I don't even have coffee.
You might get the Barnaby ending right now. Like, bro is coming a lot.
Who's please Venus flytrap?
There's a Venus
Why did
flytrap?
he
Okay.
invite me to grow a garden too? Hell no! Do you have a tail? You are a rabbit with a freaking cat!
Bro is angry. Excuse me, sir.
Then try na di.
Alright, two guys coming. Oh my god, guys, I'm at 6-7 sanity. 6-7. If there's a skinwalk, how much coffees have you been taking? Okay, Bree, you should take 3 sips of coffee this time.
Hey, I want to go there.
Ooh, coffee.
No, let Bree take that. She is on like 20% sanity. If you...
Okay.
Bree, hurry up, get...
By the way, I only have 2 coffees left because of Barnaby.
Where is he? Where's the don't look up?
Coffee's ready!
Bree, get the coffee.
I don't know, is it in room 7?
Barney is a dinosaur from our imagination.
Yeah, he's in room 7.
I'm so hungry I can eat a freaking person. Ooh.
How do I give? I can't give it. Barney is a dinosaur. If I get angry, I might continually shock someone. I'm gonna need to check in a lot of people. Oh my god, I feel like the ambulance is coming. If it comes, I'm gonna have to tease a lot of people. Because most of the time, the critical patients are anomalies. If there's 3 of them, let's not take that risk. If there's 3 of them. If there's 3 critical patients, then let's just patch them up.
Broski, your cousin is doing room 7. I'm supposed
Bree.
to do the room
Bree.
6.
I hate stalker.
We need
I'm looking at... I'm not go. Ah, that's locked in. Barnaby is coming. Oh, finally.
Cousin is doing.
Oh no, it's the ambulance. Guys, let's get prepared.
Okay.
Let's go. All hands on deck. There might be a lot of anomalies. Oh no.
I'm doing room 6 to 8. Okay.
I'm waiting for no.
Cousin.
Oh my god!
Wait.
Dr. Harlow, help! You're supposed to be the doctor.
Go, go, go! Go, quick, quick, quick!
Oh dang.
Critical. Anomaly!
Alright, I'm gonna get critical get the critical ones. Alright, this is low-key getting stressful. Guys, hurry up. Dry dice, so eye drops. Okay, yeah, here. Oh, bed monster. What? If someone says they're hungry, run. Take up the critical patients. I feel like this is an anomaly.
No!
What's happened?
There was slime on the freaking patient. They slipped on themselves, and I couldn't even give the patient the freaking
Oh no, we're cooked.
treatment.
Oh no, we're cooked. Another. Bro. Yeah.